So hi all, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We also have a website with the same name, datamahadev.com, where you can learn where there are articles related to machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, natural language processing, computer vision, etc. You can click on any one tab and you can start learning start learning related to Python, any other topics related to data science. All right. So this is what it is. All right. Next, we'll do what? So basically, in this video lecture is another video in our pandas series of lectures. In the previous video, we saw how to access rows and columns. All right. In this particular video, and in the previous video, we saw the basic exploratory data analysis like head dot tail dot describe dot shape dot d types dot info, etc. Or how to check whether there's a missing value inside a column or not. So we saw that as well. Like, all right. So this is like, just let me scroll down. All right, we did not see that. We'll see that in the upcoming videos. All right. So this is what it is. All right. So we are going to see many things as we have discussed earlier also in the videos about pandas. So let us start once again with what? Let us start once again with another topic, that is converting a dictionary into a data frame. Converting a dictionary into a data frame. So how do we do that? Let us see. So let's take df once again. We'll take what? The function pd dot data frame. Now pd is what? The object of pandas. All right. But remember, we need to refresh this particular file. All right. So we need to run all. But before that, we'll do what? We'll basically create the data frame using dictionary. All right. So let us take what? Let us take customer ID. All right. Customer ID. All right. And we'll do what? We'll basically take it inside a dictionary. All right, let us take customer ID and let us do what? In this what? This customer ID is what? This customer ID is our key. All right, and this inside the square brackets will be what? Will be our values. All right. If you want to know more about dictionary, you can refer to our dictionary videos, dictionary tutorials. All right. So this is what it is. Next, we'll do what? We'll write, let's say, laptops. All right, or product. All right, we'll create what? We This is our what? This is our another key of a particular dictionary. All right, we are directly creating a dictionary and finally converting it into a data frame. If you want to know how to create a data frame, the syntax of it, you should check our array to data frame conversion. So in a data frame, D should be capital and frame of F should be capital, or F of frame should be capital. All right. So product. All right. Product, let's say a MacBook. All right. And let us take a Legion. So we are taking what? We are taking laptop names. All right. Let us take Legion. Let us take ZenBook. All right. Let us take Alienware. All right. So remember, the values passed in the first key should be equivalent to the values passed in the second key. So we have done what? We have taken 4 values. We'll take one more value. All right. So this is what it is. We'll take one more value, which is, let's say, any laptops, let's take XPS. All right, XPS series of Dell. So this is what now it says what? PD not defined. We forgot to do what? Run the cells. Cells, go to cells, run all. All right. It will do what? It will run all the cells. All right. Because we opened the notebook after almost a month. All right, 26th December 2022 it opened. Now it's 24th Jan 2023. So we have got what? We have got our df. All right. Now let's take it as df1. That will be more applicable because we will create an other data frame. All right. So df2 is equal to what? PD dot data frame. All right, and inside it we will write what? We will write, let's say again, customer ID. All right, customer ID, and inside that we will do what? We will write down certain customer IDs. All right. So this is what it is. Next we'll take what? Next we'll basically take the brand names. All right, brand names. Customer IDs remain the same. Brand names will be this. We'll take Apple, MacBook, Apple, Legion, Lenovo, ZenBook, Asus, Alienware, Dell, and XPS also Dell and Co. Dell and Co. All right. Let us run this. So we have what? DF1. Just a second. Not dot. Only DF1. We have DF1. All right. We have what? We have DF2. All right. So we have customer ID. All right. 1010, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. We have MacBook, Legion, ZenBook, Alienware, XPS. All right. We have customer ID 101 till 105. And we have what? We have Apple, Lenovo, Asus, Dell and Co. All right. So this is what it is. This is how we basically create data frames, by how convert taking a dictionary and converting it directly into a data frame. All right. So this is what it is. This is all we have in this video. We will be coming up with more videos in the near future. All right. Stay tuned. Thanks a lot, everyone.